Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Citrix unknown client error 1110 of Firefox. So guys, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to your system tray over here down below. And of course, you should be able to see your Citrix Workspace. So right click on it guys, and you should be able to have an option over here, Advanced Preferences. And now over here, you will have this tab and go for Reset Citrix Workspace. So guys, you will have this pop-up saying that resetting will delete all apps, desktop accounts, and configurations. And just simply select yes, reset Citrix Workspace. So of course, if you have any data, make sure to back it up first before proceeding with this. And now after that, mostly this will fix your issue. Now another option, or one thing that you might want to consider as well, is go for the Citrix Workspace and make sure you are running the latest version of it. So guys, if you have outdated versions, sometimes there are the reason why. So of course, go to Citrix and just simply check out their latest version over here in order for you to proceed with this process. And as you can see, you will have the versions, the release date of each versions as well over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.